Hi, this is Yahan from Uniforms. Today I'm going to introduce you our new program. It's called Daily Word Program. Daily Word Program is a project that we develop for those who want to take exam HSK 1 to HSK 3 or just starting learning Chinese. This project will help you to master the knowledge of HSK 1. We will teach you how to read and write, also how to make phrase and sentence. We design a practice to enhance your knowledge, which is a 21 days basic Chinese character daily handwriting challenge. There will be 3 valuable prizes for you if you participate the challenge and finish. So the question, how to participate? Step 1. Check the page of 21 Days HSK Basic Chinese Characters Daily Handwriting Challenge at Uniform's Facebook official account. Step 2. Read the challenge rules carefully on our brochures page and make a resolution to reach your target. Step 3. Follow any of our Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube channels. Step 4. Watch our Daily Words video program. Step 5. Participate the challenge. Step 6. Share your result to us. Last one but important, receiving your rewards. Excited? We are looking for you to participate. Come on! Bye!